Namaste one and all. This is Mukesh Bijja from SAIMEDHA KOTI, Hyderabad. Today I came up with a very important information for CSE students, those who are completed diploma in 2022. So as we are completed diploma now, rightly we are about to go for the counseling, and then we are going to go into the engineering, right? So in today's program, in the video, I am going to tell about a new program we started, that is UPSKILL 2022, exclusively for CME students or computer science students those are completed diploma in recently 2022. So let us see what we are going to cover in this program. In UPSKILLS program, we are going to cover the complete engineering mathematics. This mathematics is going to useful in both the way, in academic and a competitive field exams also. What competitive exam is going to be appear like exactly after the completing BTech, even in third year also you are going to write an exam called GATE. The GATE syllabus completely is covered here. The syllabus is going to be useful in both criteria. Our contents is covering in the engineering mathematics is calculus and Fourier series and probability and discrete mathematics. 99% lateral entry students in Telangana colleges, either in the private or the government colleges, are failed to succeed in discrete mathematics. They are just about to getting the success in the border level. It is very surprising to each and every person in India, like Telangana also. So as a lot of people have the difficulty with this math, that's why we are also included discrete mathematics. I can assure you that we are provided classes from scratch level to the advanced level. By attending all these classes, you are going to touch the competitive field side and the academic field side also. Now you are not only pass, just leave about the pass, you are going to get your best performance out of you by attending these classes. And luckily, we are providing all this content in a digital recorded video classes. That means the class is going to available to you in 24/7 access. That means after completing our college timing, while coming to the home also, after coming to the home also, you can attend these classes. It is student away. We are giving all this content at your fingertips. You can utilize this opportunity. Not only for the academic, for the competitive field exams also. Coming to the syllabus point of view, let us see probability and discrete mathematics completely new to you. You learn something about calculus and Fourier series in the diploma, but it is not sufficient to. We have to extend our knowledge in that. That too, the new topics probability and discrete mathematics very difficulty. Lot of people are feeling lot difficulty in these two topics. Most of people have failed in that. And this program is going to be useful to clear all your dilemma in syllabuses. And the probability not only with respect to mathematics, the probability topic is going to use in computer engineering also. The probability concepts are going to use in data science, computer science as computer science engineering expanded its wings in different branches now. We already known artificial intelligence and data science and IoT and cyber security, lot of wings are there. Especially while discussing the data science, the concepts of probability are going to apply in that. That means you are learning probability for the academic, for the competitive field exams, and even for the engineering structure, that is data science also. Okay, this complete engineering mathematics. And we are also provided aptitude from 0 to 100 level, that is 0 to 100% or the scratch level to 100%. So by attending these classes, these two classes will going to give 30 marks of the GATE. If you are writing the GATE exam, you can easily score 30 marks by attending these two sessions, these two content. In order to that, and 30 marks is a basic qualification. If you want to qualify in a GATE, that is will be 22 or 23 marks. By attending these two sessions properly, you are ready to qualify for the GATE exam. These two topics are going to have 30 marks. Just the qualification marks for 20 or 23 marks for CSE. By qualifying, you can get some seat in MTech also. That is useful for you. Next, we are going to cover the complete reasoning and general English, general awareness and general science. By attending all these classes and the content, you are able to write all the diploma based government jobs like RRB JEE, SSC JEE, DRDO Septum, like many. All the diploma based jobs, some of the diploma based jobs have general syllabus like general English, general science and general awareness also. These classes are going to help you in academic, in a competitive, that too in a diploma based jobs and after completion of BTech also. And again I am saying this all content was available in a digital recorded video class. That means it will going to available in 24/7 access. Let me add a simple point here for the general English. As if you want to communicate in a outside market, the common medium is today is English. We can speak general English, but communicating with the professionals, it's very important to communicate in a grammatical way. It's not about just speaking, but you have to be used in a proper way, and you have to use the structured words. That I can say, you can use the vocabulary words are very important, right? That's why the general English not only playing an important role in that, but structuring of a profile, it's going to show your skill and show your manners towards the communicating with the professionals in the outside market. While if for the campus recruitment also, if you want to interview some person, if you want to be interviewed by some person, you have to be perfect, you have to be sufficient to learn about general English. We are completely providing this all this in a digital recorded video classes. And in addition to this, we are providing live classes for complete campus recruitment training. The live classes will from 6 a.m. to 7:30, morning 6 a.m. to 7:30. From these sessions, from September 5th onwards, we are going to start the live sessions from morning 6 a.m. to 7:30, complete campus recruitment training program. The contents we are going to cover here by most experienced trainer Vivek Sir in morning 6 to 7:30, Monday to Friday, every day is available. Even though if you are admitted into any BTech college, it is available to 6 to 7:30, you have to be accessible in that time. You can learn in the live sessions, you can interact with the faculty, you are going to be expert in this coding language. The covers are going to cover in the topics that we are going to cover in recruitment training will be covered by Vivek Sir. Before that, let me add a simple point here. After attending all these classes, you are going to be expert in the coding. I can say proudly that, because the contents here are going to add in all the programs, like this recruitment, campus recruitment was abandoned to learn. If you are properly attending classes in a consistent way, and if you listen to the trainer very carefully and you practice in a sufficient way, this time is going to help you, and this program is going to upgrade your skills to the next level to crack a better job, to get a best performance out of you. And these all content, the campus recruitment training is in the live sessions. The content will be explained by our trainer Vivek Sir from morning 6 to 7:30 am. This content is completely available in the UPSKILLS program by only digital recorded video classes. Let us see all the contents, and let us assume these all contents in one program, and if you calculate the complete program structure outside market values around 30 to 40,000 regarding the places. If you want to learn all these things in a like a Miripet or SR Nagar, there will be cost around it, right? You can inquire it. The market value of the complete UPSKILLS program is around 30 to 40,000. But the SAIMEDHA management, we are proudly announcing we are providing this complete UPSKILLS program for free. But you have to just register for this. You need to register for this. You need to just register for this by contacting the below number, but just paying 1,000 rupees. This is just negligible number. We are not focusing on the amount here. We just want to teach the people. We just want to teach the students, and we just want to apply this knowledge to your minds. Thereby, you are going to expertise in that. It is completely providing freely, but if you want to register it, you just need to pay 1,000 up to September 5th. We are going to we are going to start classes from September 5th onwards. So if you want to avail this offer, if you want to register this offer, you can contact the below numbers. As scrolling in the below part, you can contact that number, and you can pay 1,000 as a registration fee and get all this UPSKILLS program. In the UPSKILLS program, by attending this UPSKILLS program, you are not going to attend all the diploma based government jobs and GATE and all the campus recruitment training also. By attending this session, you are in a person to crack a maximum level of package in your BTech also. Okay, let us see our campus recruitment session details in our Vivek Sir words.
Hi everyone, this is Vivek. I am dealing with campus recruitment training, in which I am talking completely about the technical part. What technologies which you need to learn to go to further for your campus recruitment training, right? Campus recruitment programs like any companies, let us say TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, or any companies, any software companies, what are the base programming languages which you need to learn? That I am going to talk in these sessions now. The point is, so many students might have a feeling that we already learned all the programming languages which we have displayed on the board. That's what, sir, we already learned C, C++, Java, data structures, everything. How could it will be more benefit for us? Whatever you have learned, it's only a 10% of the programming language which you learned. You need to upgrade yourself a lot, because there are companies which starts from 4 lakhs package to 20 lakhs package. When I say 4 lakhs to 20 lakhs package, they will not ask you to write only the program, prime number program, even number program and all. They will give a scenario for you, and those scenarios you need to convert into algorithm, and the algorithm needs to be converted into program, for which what you required a depth of C language. That is what the core of mother of all the programming languages. Why I say C language is mother of all the programming languages means, talk about any programming language which I am talking here, the rules and regulations always we take from C language. That's the reason we spent more and more time on C language in the first pass. So once after completion of C++, it is a procedure oriented programming language. We spend more time on this. If you are good in C programming language, you will understand C++ automatically. Once you know C and C++, any algorithm, any competitive exams, any things which we can do, any program which we can do by using data structures. You can develop any applications by using data structures, right? All competitive coding examples, all competitive coding programs are done by using data structures. As you know that what is a data structures and all, I don't want to talk about that, what exactly a data structure is. Data structures talks about what? It is structuring the data. Entire C language and C++ language, we talked about the, that's what initial introduction part about how variable has to be declared, how it has to be done. Here we will manage the data. How it has to represent to a word, that will be done in data structures. Coming to Java programming language, as you know that, if I am talking about Java programming language, it is more popular in the market. There, let us say 100 companies are there. 90 companies will ask initial programming language is Java. In Java programming language, we deal with your J2SE, that's what Java 2 Standard Edition. Core Java, all concept will cover. J2EE part, JDBC, Servlet, JSP, let us come about the frameworks, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, all the technologies which we are going to cover in Java programming language, and which is the Spring Boot and Hibernate. These are all the hot cake in the market. You know, I don't want to know about JDBC, Servlets and JSP, but as a basic developer, we should know how the connectivity has to be made, and all those things we talk about those concepts also. And whatever concept we take, which always starts from 0th level to 100 level. I make sure that any concept which you have, any programming language which you are taking from SAIMEDHA, it is damn sure that you'll become a programmer. That I can assure you from that. Coming to, sir, I don't want to work with any of the companies. I want to work with Microsoft companies. Then we have one more course exclusively for those students, the ones who wanted to work with, so that's what Microsoft companies. We are not differentiating in the package. Inside a package itself, we are giving a .NET training also. That's what Microsoft .NET. We can talk about CS.NET, VB.NET, everything comes. Okay, that's what the Microsoft .NET is. It is only the companies, the one who is Microsoft based companies, only they use .NET program. And sir, all these things are fine for us. By using C, C++, data structures and Java and everything, we are developing the application. That is fun. What kind of applications we develop, that all we see in the further classes. Now for all these things, we require an application software to be developed. By using all these programming languages, what we can do is, we can generate a middleware technology, that's what server-side technology. And I want a front-end technology, that's what your web page. So just for example, just whatever you are typing like gmail.com, the web page which is coming, that all web pages are developed by using HTML, JavaScript, AngularJS, React.js. Now React.js is the one, it is the hottest technology in the market. Now no one is using HTML, JavaScript and all. Everyone are using React.js, but the further to learn React.js or AngularJS, the prerequisite is HTML, JavaScript, that's what your CSS. So we talk about first initially we talked about HTML, CSS and all. Then we'll talk about JavaScript. Then we'll move to React.js and AngularJS to make you comfortable towards the application which you need to develop. And at the end of the day, I definitely sure that will develop applications on by considering all the programming languages. Okay. Then, sir, the backend technology, I don't want to use either a Spring Boot, I don't want to use JDBC, I don't want to use the JSP applications. I can go with your PHP, right? Preprocessor hypertext, we can you go with this kind, that's what hypertext preprocessor, we can go with PHP as a server side technology. We provide the training on that. Sir, now the hottest programming language in the market. So if I talk about Java, Java is really popular in the market. Still, what will be the add-on programming language if I learn? Then that's what job opportunities will be more for me. It can add an advantage to my resume, that is your Python programming language. By using Python programming language, we can develop a procedure-oriented programming language, object-oriented programming language. We talk about Python up to the extreme level, up to Django also, right? So Python is a programming language which is used to develop your AI, that's what artificial intelligence program and machine learning programs. There are so many advantages with Python as compared with all the other programming languages. Like Python supports dynamic data type, which is not there in any of the applications. Python doesn't have any data type size, which is not there in any of the application. All the applications having a data type size, but Python doesn't have any data type size. Okay. So we talk about all these things. That's all with your programming part. Coming to the database, because whenever I say a data or the information, I need to store my information in one of the tool, right? One of the backend technology where I need to store my data. It can be stored in Oracle, it can be stored on your SQL. So how to write the queries, how we have to connect from my front end application to back end application. Front end is done by HTML, your back end is completely done by either Java or PHP in the server side technology. My server will be communicated with the database to store your information, let us say student information, employee information or Flipkart information, whatever we are ordering, everything will be stored on their database. Then nowadays we are using Android. Now Android phones we are using. I want to develop an Android application also. Then we have Android for you. The one who wanted to go for Android application, they no need to learn J2EE. They can go with J2SE directly with Android. You no need to learn J2EE, right? So J2SE is a mandate for Enterprise Edition as well as for Android applications, right? Okay. Coming to the cloud. Now, sir, after Oracle and SQL, these are the basic points where we need to think about how the database has to be created and everything. Now, to extract and everything, they made it as very simple. They use the technologies called as Azure and ETL technologies, okay, where they made all the processing, all the backend process, all the operations simple and exercise. Means they have a tool, you have to extract on a tool and you can segregate, you can mapping, you can do anything with using Azure and ETL tools, right? So we cover all these technologies. Definitely tell you, if you are good in these technologies, you can expect a package more than 15 lakhs, right? So you have to be very precise towards all these technologies. Will cover from 0 to 100%. It is our responsibility to take you to from 0 to 100%. Sir, what is the prerequisites which a student should know to learn all these programming languages? If you can understand my communications, what I'm speaking with you, there is more than enough for you to understand the programming language. It is our responsibility to make you a programmer. Only thing is, you should be regular to the classes, do the exercise, whatever we are saying, you work with us. That's all which we need to do. If you are not understanding, anyhow 24/7, we are here to help you in all the aspects, okay? So utilize the course, it will be very benefit for you by the end of your engineering. Okay, thank you.
Okay guys, as we've seen Vivek sir words about the campus recruitment training. So I hope you understand everything about the session. So the complete session is all about the recorded version, and this complete campus recruitment training is in live sessions. The sessions are going to start from September 5th onwards. The live sessions will be on 6 AM to 7:30 AM. As is SAIMEDHA management, I am proudly saying that we are providing the complete upskills program freely by registering this by paying 1,000 rupees. I can assure you 100% that this program going to enhance your knowledge in different areas like general and engineering also, and in coding also. By utilizing this opportunity, you are in a person to crack a wonderful opportunity in the further future endeavors. Okay, and I just inform you regarding this opportunity. So this is all about this upskills program. I just want to say again, this program is going to enhance your chances in getting a better opportunities. And from September 5th onwards, we are going to class starters, that is 6 a.m. to 7:30. After 5th onwards, the fee might be 5,000 or 10,000. You please utilize this opportunity and mold your career in a better way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Signing off, this is Mukesh Bijja.